Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a dog walking business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a dog walking business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Starting a dog walking business is a simple and low-cost way to get into the animal industry. By following a few simple steps, you can get your business off to a great start. The majority of people will likely begin their business as a sole practitioner or as a limited liability corporation, LLC. If you lack experience in this area, it is a good idea to consult with someone knowledgeable and trustworthy, as well as an accountant or attorney when establishing your business. Step 1. Establish your dog walking company. A sole practitioner business is one in which the owner makes all decisions and is personally liable for all debts and taxes. If you conduct business under a name other than your legal name, you must register the fictitious, also known as doing business as, name with your state. To legally operate a business, you may need to register for a business license in your town. The majority of dog walking companies are formed as sole proprietorships or limited liability companies, LLCs. A sole proprietorship is a business founded by one person whose personal and business assets are inextricably linked. The owner is personally liable for all debts. An LLC separates personal and business assets, making the corporation's owner personally liable for the corporation's debts. Step 2. Get insurance. There is insurance available that is specifically designed to cover pet sitters and dog walkers. This coverage protects you from legal action if a pet causes damage while under your supervision. The cost is only a few $100s and could save you a lot of trouble later on. There are numerous companies that provide this service, including Pet Sitters Associates LLC and Pet Sitter Insurance. Step 3. Pricing and services. The majority of dog walkers charge by the hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Single dogs or a small pack from the same apartment complex or residential street can be walked. You could also offer ancillary services such as pet sitting, obedience training, or pooper-scooper services. Examine the competition in your area to see what the going rate is for dog walking services. Step 4. Get signed contracts. You should always work with your clients under a signed contract. Terms of service agreements define the client's, dog owners, and service providers' relationship, you. Be specific about what is and is not covered by the contract. It should be specified whether the dog will be walked in a group or alone. Discuss what your service offers, payment options, cancellations, damages, and emergency health situations in the agreement or contract. Before beginning work for a new client, make sure you have complete contact information and a signature. As part of your contract terms, you may want to include a veterinary release. The release will state that you will make every effort to contact the owner in the event of an emergency and that you have been granted permission to seek veterinary care for the dog if necessary. The release should also state who is responsible for any vet bills. Step 5. Maintain extensive records. Maintain a contact sheet for each owner who uses your service, including their address, phone number, email address, and emergency contact information. Make a note of the breed, color, date of birth, health history, including allergies and any previous injuries, veterinarian's name, and clinic contact information for each dog. A simple veterinary release form will allow you to take the animal to the vet while the owner agrees to pay any subsequent bills. Step 6. Spread the word. Create a flyer and business card to post on bulletin boards in veterinary clinics, supermarkets, dog groomers, and pet stores. Consider having your contact information and logo made into large magnets to display on your vehicle's doors and rear. Advertise on Craigslist, in church bulletins, and in community newsletters. Create a website with a unique domain name. Word of mouth will eventually become your most important referral source. Make a note of where clients heard about your service, referral from a friend, website, flyer, so you know what areas to focus on when they come to you. Step 7. Begin walking. If your dogs are approached by strays while walking, you should consider carrying pepper spray. Also, invest in appropriate footwear and clothing for the season and climate. Wearing clothing with your company logo and phone number is an excellent way to advertise while at work. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a dog walking business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.